before you do anything, disconnect the negative battery. Remember, always disconnect. You don't want to get start a fire. Okay. Second thing is take the seat out. Pull the seat out. Take a screwdriver and pry this cover off. It's very sticky underneath there. Very sticky. You gotta be careful. You don't want to get this shit on your hand. It's very gluey and dirty. Okay. You gotta take these clips out. Okay, one. One, two. Okay, you want to take this one here out too. Okay guys, before you do anything to take this gas pump out, what you gotta do is, so the gas wouldn't spill on you, unscrew this, let the air out, just put it in a little bit. You don't want the gas to spill on you. Okay, you want to pull this tab back here and pull this out. Take this here, lift it and pull it out. Just twist this out. See, a little bit gas came out. Then you want to pull this out. You pull that out. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 8 screws around. Okay, you got 8 screws. Loosen them one by one. Twist this. Twist this. Now you gotta take this out. Gotta take this here out. If we get something to take it out. Yes, this here. I can't hold this phone with one hand. And show you guys how to take this shit out. Okay, give it 1 second. Okay, that's out. Okay, let me cover that. don't want that thing. Okay, that's how this come out. You squeeze this tab and you pull it out. And then you pull it out from here. Pull it out from here. I got a new one here to put in. Okay, I'll show you how to put in. Okay, this is how you put in the new one. It goes in this tab and slide up. See? Okay, let's see. Okay. Slide down. That's it. Okay, this is goes in this tab. Start right here. Okay, we'll do that after. Okay, this goes in here. Goes in here. Goes in here. Goes in here. Right in there. And plugs up in here. Okay, it's all in. Just gotta get this piece here in. And that's it. Okay, there we go, there we go, there we go. Put the floor in. First thing first. Gotta get this. Get that yet. No, get this. Get this. This part. See guys. Okay. Now I'm gonna take this and put this back in here where it's supposed to be. This goes on top. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna button it up now. Button this up now. Let me put it down. Put it down flat. Okay, I got it all done. I'm gonna put one screw in here. Put one screw in here. Put one screw in here. Goes in here, clip that in, clip that in. Now, this here, this is a little bit of a problem, but you gotta twist these up back like this to put this in. Okay, I gotta. And that's how that goes. Clip in, everything clip in. All right. Okay, let's try it now and see what happened. All right.